Hello everyone, Saira. Now let us start with the grammar session. In the earlier session, I had taught you what is a describing word and how you all are supposed to find the describing word. Okay? Now today we are going to start with the new topic. Our today's topic is use of is or are. Use of is or are. So today I am going to teach you where you all are supposed to use is and where you all are supposed to use are. Okay? So let's begin now. Here children, what is the boy doing? Yes, the boy is writing. The boy is writing. Here you can see I am talking about only one boy. I am talking about only one boy. So we have used is. When we are talking about one naming word, that time we are supposed to use is. Okay? Now let us see the definition of is. We use is with naming words which name one. We use is with naming words which name one. That means when we are talking about one naming word, that time we are supposed to use is. Okay? For example, this is my car. This is my car. Here you can see we are talking about only one car. Okay? We are talking only about one car. So that time we are supposed to use is. Okay? Now let us go to the next one. Now tell me children, what are the boys doing? Yes, the boys are playing football. The boys are playing football. Here you can see we are talking about two boys. Here we are talking about two boys. In the earlier slide, you have seen that we were talking about only one boy. Okay, but here we are talking about two boys. So when we are talking about more than one naming word, that time we are supposed to use are. Okay, now let us see the definition of are. We use are with naming words which name many. We use are with naming words which name many. So that time, that is when we are talking about more than one naming words, that time we are supposed to use are. Okay? When we are talking about more than one naming words, that time we are supposed to use are. For example, these are my toys. These are my toys. Here you can see S is added. That means what? Many toys. That means what? Many toys. So, children, when we are talking about many naming words, that time we are using are. Okay? Now, let us see some more examples. Here, children, what is the dog doing? Yes, the dog is jumping. You can see the dog is jumping, isn't it? Yes. So here we are talking about only one dog. Here we are talking about only one dog. So that time we have used is. Okay? We have used is because we are talking about only one dog. Okay? Now the next one. Now what are the children doing? Yes, the children are swinging in the garden. The children are swinging in the garden. Here there are more than one. So we have used children are, isn't it? Okay. So when we are talking about more than one, that time we are supposed to use are. Okay. Now next one. Here you can see mother is cooking food. Mother is cooking food. So here children, here only one naming word is there. That is mother. Okay. So when we are talking about one naming word, that time we are supposed to use is. Okay. Now the next one. What are the girls doing? Yes, the girls are dancing. The girls are dancing. Here you can see there are more than one, isn't it? How many girls are there? 3 girls are there. How many? 3. So that is more than one, isn't it? So when we are talking about many, that time you are going to use are. That time you are going to use are. That is, the girls are dancing. Okay. Now let us solve some more activities. Okay. Now use is or are in the following sentences. Use is or are in the following sentences. Let us see the first one. The bus dash late. The bus dash late. Here children, you can see we are talking about only one bus. We are talking about only one bus. So that time we are supposed to use is. The bus is late. Okay. We are not talking about buses. Buses means many buses. Here we are talking about only one bus. So that is, the bus is late. Okay. Now the next one. We dash waiting for him. We dash waiting for him. We means what? I, and with me there are some more people. Including me, there are some more people. I am not alone. Okay. We means what? Including us, there are some more people. So that means more than one, isn't it? So we are waiting for him. We are waiting for him. Okay. Now the third one. Tina dash my sister. Tina dash my sister. So here we are talking about Tina. Here we are talking about Tina. So we will write Tina is my sister. Tina is my sister. Okay. Now fourth one. You dash a smart boy. You dash a smart boy. Okay. So you is referring to one or many. Okay. The word you refers to one or many. So whenever the word you is coming, that time we are supposed to use are. Okay. Whenever the word you is there, whether it may be one or many, that is not seen. Okay. Here we are not going to see whether it is singular or plural. Always with you we are supposed to write are. You are. And a smart boy means what? We are talking about one. A smart boy means what? One. So here you are a smart boy. Okay children. Now the next one. It dash a hot day. It dash a hot day. A hot day means again we are talking about a particular day. Okay. So again here what you are supposed to write? Is. Okay. It is a hot day. It is a hot day. Now the next one. They dash in the park. They dash in the park. Now here they means what? We are talking about more than one. We are talking about more than one. So that time we are supposed to write are. They are in the park. They are in the park. Seventh one. He dash writing a story. He dash writing a story. Here he, that means what? We are talking about a particular boy or a man. Okay, he means what? A particular boy or a man. Okay, so that time when we are talking about a particular means what? A single man or a boy. So that time here we are supposed to write he is writing a story. He is writing a story. Now the eighth one. She dash singing a song. She dash singing a song. Now again children, here also you can see the word she is referring to a particular girl or a woman. She means a particular girl or a woman. Okay, not many. We are talking about a particular, one particular girl or a woman. So again here also you are supposed to write is. Okay, she is singing a song. She is singing a song. Okay children, now let us go to a this one grammar book. Okay, now you have to open your grammar book, remove page number 27, lesson number 6. Okay, be ready with page number 27 and lesson number 6. Use of is are. Okay, use of is are. Okay, now I hope you all are ready with the page. Now first what we are supposed to do is we have to write the date. Okay, we have to write the date. Now what is today's date children? 1 minute. 28 10 20. Okay, 28 10 20. Now after writing the date, now we will start solving our activity. We will start solving our activity. Okay, now what is the heading given? Use is or are in the following sentences. Again, now the same thing we have to do what we have done earlier. We are supposed to use is or are in the following sentences. Now the first one. There dash a garden in front of my house. Okay, there dash a garden in front of my house. When I am saying a garden, that means when I am talking about a particular garden, only one particular garden. Okay, so when we are talking about one particular garden, that time what we are supposed to use? Yes, we are supposed to use is. There is a garden in front of my house. Okay, there is a garden in front of my house. Okay. Now the next one. There dash flies on the foot. There dash flies on the foot. Now children, flies means many, isn't it? When we are saying flies, that means many flies are there. You can see the picture also. So when we are talking about many, that time what we are supposed to write? Are. Okay? There are flies on the foot. There are flies on the foot. Okay children, here we have to see the naming word also and the one and many also. If it is one naming word, we will use is. If it is many naming words, we are supposed to write are. Okay, now the third one. A cat under the table. Again you can see a cat. Okay, a cat means what? Only one. You can see their picture also. Here under the table there is only one cat. So a cat is under the table. A cat is under the table. Now fourth one. The boy dash very clever. The boy dash very clever. Here you can see the picture children. There is only one boy. There is only one boy. Okay. So again when we are talking about one naming word, that means is. The boy is very clever. The boy is very clever. Now the fifth one. Her dresses dash very pretty. Her dresses dash very pretty. Now dresses means what? One or many? Yes, many. Dresses means we are talking about many dresses. More than one. So here what you are supposed to use? Are. Her dresses are very pretty. Her dresses are very pretty. Okay. Now I hope you all have written the answers. Now we will go to the next. Sixth one. There dash tomatoes in the basket. There dash tomatoes in the basket. Now children, tomatoes, we are talking about tomatoes, not tomato. Okay, we are not talking about one tomato. We are talking about many tomatoes. So what you are supposed to write? Are. There are there are tomatoes in the basket. There are tomatoes in the basket. Now the seventh one. This rose dash very pretty. This rose dash very pretty. So here you can see only one rose is there, isn't it? How many roses are there? Only one. So when we are talking about one rose, that means what? Is. This rose is very pretty. This rose is very pretty. Now the eighth one. The grapes dash sour. The grapes dash sour. Okay. Now grapes. They are saying grapes, not grape. Okay. Grapes means many. So here you are supposed to write are. The grapes are sour. The grapes are sour. Now the ninth one. Mina's pet bird dash a parrot. Mina's pet bird dash a parrot. A parrot means only one. A parrot means only one. So Mina's pet bird is a parrot. Mina's pet bird is a parrot. Now the last one. Tom's friends dash very helpful. Tom's friends dash very helpful. Here we are talking about friends. Yes, more than one. So we are using are. What we are using? Are. Tom's friends are very helpful. So here children, we have finished this topic of is or are. So children, practice at home. Children, each and every topic you have to practice again and again. Stay home, stay safe and take care children. Thank you. Bye.